On behalf of the Ayiti Community Trust, it's my pleasure and profound honor to welcome you to this year's Ayiti Visionaries event. This is our signature event where we celebrate the leadership of these incredible individuals which you hear about in greater detail, and we can't wait to move forward and hear about them. Because for all these people, leadership isn't a title, it's a commitment to our community. They've demonstrated their leadership as innovators, educators, artists, entrepreneurs, and despite much adversity, they continue to plant the seeds of progress and pride.
Our mission is to build a sustainable source of funding for Haitian-led organizations focused on civic education, environment, and entrepreneurship.
At Ayiti Community Trust, we believe the greatest resources of our nation, it is not gold, it is not oil, not even the land, it is the Haitian people. We are proud to stand alongside this movement. To our programs on entrepreneurship, environment, and civic education, we are helping to build an ecosystem for sustainable growth, where knowledge is shared, leadership is cultivated, and progress is owned by communities themselves.
When the challenges seems too great, when the work of development in Ayiti feels too heavy, it's rough. I know that many of you feel that way as well sometimes. Vision has a way of calling us back. Through my re-engagement with Ayiti Community Trust, I found myself once again aligned with the dream President Estimé carried, that our Ayiti is not only worthy, but guys, possible. My wish tonight is that this room be filled with many Estimés. That each one of us not only dream of a Haiti reminiscent of President Estimé's era, but also to take part in shaping a future Haiti.
When we lead our future, it means we have a vision to see what others do not see and courage to move forward even when we don't have all the answers. To fund our future means creating structures that make leadership last, structures that will live beyond one individual. That's what Ayiti Community Trust exists to do, to bridge leadership and longevity, vision and financial infrastructure.
Much has been written about my grandfather, Dumarsais Estimé. The bold statesman, the tireless reformer, the visionary who believed in Haiti's promise long before the world did. But let me tell you about the man I knew through my grandmother's vivid stories. He cultivated and expected excellence from those around him. He understood that dignity and education were twin foundations upon which nations rise. And most importantly, he believed that no challenge, no storm was greater than the will and the might of the Haitian people.
In the face of difficulty, it's important to be reminded who you are and who you're meant to be. It's important to be reminded where you come from and where you're going. And that's exactly what this night was about. I am just incredibly thankful that I got to be part of something so special, because events like this bring together the diaspora. It brings together Haitians that have been scattered, and it puts us all on the same page. It's important because when challenges come our way, the memories of our past will propel us to our future. Viva Haiti!